A.
Piss take.
Production.
Battery will sell a charge cable. So if you don't ride your bike, I generally put my bike on a trickle charge. Today we're going to put this cable on the DRZ400, and I'm not sure how I'll route it at the moment, but it's really simple. Your red and black, so positive for your red and your negative for your black, and that just goes on like that. There's two bolts. Just take that off, and we'll put this on, and we'll go from there. What size is that? 8mm. Screwdriver onto it. Okay. We'll do the positive first. And sit that on like that. Here we go. Yes. We'll do the negative. Now, battery will have changed these charging cables. They've added a fuse, which was the first thing I picked up on. Come on, let go. Okay, to be honest, that just gets on. This cable. I know that this bike's been sitting for a bit, so we're going to put this on charge. Plug it in. There we go. So the battery goes in charge mode. Hopefully we'll get it topped back up and the green light should turn on after a couple of hours. But there you go. That's my way of setting up a trickle charger. The only issue I have to come back, once I put the panels back on, I'll reassess where I'm going to sit the plug. So this plug will sit, it's going to sit somewhere. It might sit out here, just under the frame, but we'll see. But there you go, that's a trickle charger on the DRZ.